Hello, this is Laura. Welcome to day 01 of your 60-day English Fluency Challenge. If you're listening to this right now, it means you made a decision to improve your English, to become more confident, and to finally start speaking without fear. And that decision matters more than you think. Today is not about being perfect. Today is about starting. Let me tell you something honestly. Most people never improve their English because they wait for the perfect time. They wait until they feel ready. They wait until they know more words, more grammar, more rules. But that moment never comes. Fluency does not begin with perfection. It begins with action. So today, we start simple. Very simple, but very powerful. Your focus for day 01 is this. Start speaking without fear. Right now, I want you to understand something. You do not need a partner. You do not need a classroom. You do not need perfect grammar. You only need your voice and your willingness to try. Today's first exercise is called Talk About Your Day. I want you to speak out loud in English for at least 5 minutes. Yes, only 5 minutes. You can do more if you want, but 5 minutes is enough to begin. You can say simple sentences like, today I woke up at, or right now I am listening to this challenge, or later I will do. Keep it simple. Do not worry about mistakes. Do not stop yourself. Just keep speaking. It might feel uncomfortable at first. That is normal. Your brain is not used to thinking in English yet, but this discomfort is a sign of growth. Now here is something important. Do not translate from your native language. Try to think directly in English, even if your sentences are very basic. Instead of creating perfect sentences, focus on expressing your ideas. Your second exercise for today is listening. I want you to listen to English for at least 10 minutes. It can be a podcast, a simple video, or even this recording again. While listening, do not try to understand every word. Just listen for the general idea. Let your brain get familiar with the sound of English. Your third exercise is repeating. Choose 1 or 2 sentences you hear and repeat them out loud. Try to copy the tone, the rhythm, and the pronunciation. This will help you sound more natural over time. Now let's talk about mindset. Today, you might feel shy. You might feel unsure. You might even think, my English is not good, but I want you to change that thought. Say this in your mind right now. I am learning. I am improving. Because that is the truth. Fluency is not something you suddenly achieve. It is something you build one small step at a time. And today, you took your first step. Before we finish, I want you to take a small action. Write in the comments, Day 01 complete. And if you want, share 1 sentence you spoke today. It can be simple. What matters is that you tried. This small action will build accountability. It will make you feel part of something bigger. If you are serious about improving your English, stay with this challenge for the next 60 days. Show up every day, even if it is just for a few minutes. This is Laura. And remember, confidence does not come from knowing everything. It comes from using what you already know. I'll see you in day 02. Keep going.